The Royal Ontario Museum here in Toronto, September 6th, 2013. I just visited the Chinese exhibits there. These are the Korean exhibits here. As you can see, different various objects. These are ceramics over there, more ceramics over here. I'll give you a brief tour. Some more beautiful examples of earthenware here. This is a limestone head dating back to the 11th to the 12th centuries, Lao or Jin dynasty. That's a bell. I don't know what's going on. It's 1:30, about 1:33 right now in the afternoon. That just went off. I guess we're supposed to leave. I don't know. I just got here not too long ago, so everyone's headed out, as you can see. So I'd rather not leave, but you know. This bell is not ringing, that's some other bell. Again, I don't know if I should leave. There's no announcements. So I don't know what's going on. Alright, I guess we're gotta head out now, see what's going on here. I don't know what the hell's going on. Does this happen often here or what? Okay, I was just told by a girl that works at the counter there that we do not have to leave right now. If the alarm starts going off quicker, then we do have to leave. But for now, we're okay, I guess. Somebody must have pulled the alarm somewhere. These are snuff walls. Check that out, eh? Pretty wild. Chinese temple art example. Still waiting for that damn alarm to go off. A lot of people are gathered in the lobby, but I was told it's not an emergency right now. If the bells start going off quicker, there will be an announcement and then we will leave. This is from the Taoist dynasty, 15th to the 16th Ming dynasty. Pretty long. Good, the alarm just went off. Now you can hear me better. You know how fragile these things are. I got a close-up look for you. Just want to show you a broken part of it that had to be mended. Look at that. Well, the alarm's off. I can go about my business now. So, as we all can, people are returning slowly. Tenants.
I repeat, this has been a false alarm. Thank you.
That was a false alarm. These are portraits dating back to the 18th century here. Fascinating.